right, it's end of Monday, and we ran out of stone. But I knew I was going to run out of stone. But here's our patio. I would say we're 3/4 of the way done. Tomorrow, they're bringing in another pallet, and we got to start working on this area. And then we got to work on just leveling up some of the spots and filling in little joints like that one right in there. You know, it's a good day when your boots come brown and they leave white. Some days you get dirtier than others. Brown boots come back white. Brown legs go back white. Ooh, there's my legs. Thanks for watching. This might be an end of a video, but I don't know. We'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna get this place finished with the patio. We're gonna get mulch started. Lights will get buried in. We'll start getting cleaned up a bit. So here's for making progress. Patio is, even though it doesn't look done, it is done where we've got everything cut. We were working on just leveling that back half of it, and then we have to joint it out, but that's all going to happen tomorrow. But all the overall pieces are in and looking good. We just have to get that finished. The guys got mulch spread. We got, I think, 12 yards of mulch spread around the yard. Got to cut bed edges, get that all cleaned up. Sprinklers are running right now. What's up, everyone? Late afternoon. We are just wrapping up, getting set, and we are going to be heading out once we get the last stuff unloaded out of the truck, which is the mulch. Things are moving along. Hey, Scott, I'm in that house in Manhasset. So I think we're missing a Mr. head. They're all set up on the back. We got one there, one there. We come into this group and there's nothing this whole length until over there and there. But this is probably, oh, I know it's way further. Something should be in there. Let me know. When all your other vehicles are being used and you need to finish a project, and you grab the pickup to go grab yourself some sod. It's only 600 square feet of very wet sod. Hey everyone, so it is Friday. We're hoping to finish everything, or maybe almost everything. Depends just how the day goes. So, I'm back. Sod is with me. I'm gonna get these beds prepped, clean, leveled. Gonna start pulling sod, get them out of the truck, get them a little water, because it is hot. Start of a weekend. And you know, it's the starter for me. I'll call it vacation. Well, I'm taking the girls camping, so yeah, we're gonna be camping the next 3 or 4 days. We are just about done here. Patio has to be fine-tuned. The beds have to be finished and be mulched. And small adjustments, that's about it. Sod's in, outside of a couple spots. We have to get some grass seed in. But we're off for the weekend.